Should you leave a voicemail when you're trying to cold call somebody? Well, unfortunately, the answer is it depends. And I speak as somebody who did over £800,000 worth of new business purely through cold calling, candidates and clients. So unfortunately, the answer is it depends. Now, let's assume the best circumstance. You've been having a bit of a chat on emails or DMs on Facebook or on Messenger. You've been commenting on their post, they've been commenting on yours. Absolutely leave a simple voicemail message that says, "Oh, hi Dick, Jane or Spot. It's Stephen Long, I'm calling from the Influence Academy. I will give you a call back later this week." That way, when you get through to them, you've got a bit of recognition. Alternatively, "Hi Dick, Jane or Spot, Stephen Long from the Influence Academy. If you can give me a call back, my number is," and simply do that. If you've not had any contact with them, any kind of interaction with them whatsoever, it is a genuine cold call, cold as in the winter is coming, cold as in August in Yorkshire, then it's a little bit more complex, because if you do leave a message with the company name and your name, there's a very good chance they'll look you up, particularly on LinkedIn, and decide whether to speak to you or not. And the chances are it'll probably be a no. So what you can do instead is leave something slightly more ambiguous. "Hey Dick, Jane or Spot, it's Stephen Long. If you can give me a call back on this number." Now, will you get a call? Yeah, maybe 1 in 5. But it does leave the door open for a subsequent conversation. Now, if I can go sideways for a second, one thing you can do to follow that through is to, after you've left a short message that says, "Hi, Stephen Long, call me on this number," you can send them through an email that simply says, the title of the email is Stephen Long and your mobile number, and then the body of the message simply says, "If you could give me a call back, I've got something that will be of significance for you, or be of interest to you," or whatever phraseology you want to use. So should you leave voicemail messages? It depends. But what I would avoid doing like the plague is the old school salesy stuff of, "Oh, it's a personal and urgent call. I need you to call me back straight." Oh, God, no. Be straightforward. Be honest. Play the numbers a little bit.